This is my bike check. You can see, this is Mongoose. $8 rims front and back. Everything's stock except for rims, the bearings, and the crank. Paint's not stock, forgot to tell you that. The pegs are, I only have back brakes in this, and I kind of need a new back tire, because it's really, really smooth. The back brake is Schwinn. Well, you see it's kind of broken, like gripped right there. Like, painted seat. It's blue on that side. Don't know why. Just lock bandana. Oh, yeah, the handlebar grips aren't stock either. I got these at the local Walmart. And I don't think the front inner tube is stock. Let's move this up here. Next is my Hyper. Nothing on here is stock. The crank came off of another Hyper I had. Handlebar grips were my dad's. They're from the 80s. Tires are not stock. They came off of my Gary Fisher. I have no idea where that went. It's just a frame and fork and crank. Handlebars. Alright. This rim came off of my little brother's bike, and I think this rim. It's the back rim's kind of shot. Notice if you get a Hyper, get new rims. Chains loose. The seat is stock. All I did was took off the cover, and it's kind of jaggy right here. The pedals are Mongoose. My one Mongoose bike my friend gave me. Well, he didn't give me the bike, he just gave me the things because I needed pedals for my bike. Paint's not stock. A little reflector in the front. It's very, very gay. It's like, hi, how you doing? I'm just gonna sit here and do the crap out of you when you're riding the bike. The front end is Schwinn. Back tire is Odyssey. It also came off my Gary Fisher. The crank bearings are, zoom in real quick, are not shot. They're really good to have in your bike, actually, because I was riding my bike one day and it just stopped on me. I'm like, oh! Went flying 4 feet and fell on my face. It didn't feel too good. The bearings in there are stock, and the bearings in the fork and handlebars are stock. And off to my little brother's bike. It's Mongoose. There. Everything on here is stock. What? Hold on a second. Everything. Hold on.